Our next finalist in the Horizon category is Nokia Siemens Network. And so Nokia Siemens Network also sees the demand for network capacity increasing and the need for substantial capital to support it. Nominated for its liquid radio, a unique architecture that adapts the capacity and coverage of networks to match the fluctuating user demands and provide more reliable service. Please welcome the Senior Vice President of Business Development North America, Chris Stark. Chris? This is Chris.
I could be. Hi everyone, I'm DeMatteo. I head up external communications for North America, and Chris is unable to be here today, so I'm going to speak to you a little bit about Nokia Siemens and about liquid radio. This gives you a little detail about who we are, what the scope of the company is globally, and a few of data points regarding our size and scope. I guess I would like to say primarily our company mission and our vision is we help our operator customers build more valuable relationships with their customers so they can enable an individual customer experience. That's what we build our business on, and it defines who we are globally and also here in North America, and it also defines our strengths and the value that we bring to our customer operators. What you may not know is, although we are a global company and we have a global reach, we have a significant presence in North America, and our regional headquarters are here in Irving. In North America, our operator customers see us as partners who can help drive innovation, whether they're innovating their business models, their networks, their offerings, or their processes. And we work every day to create what we call a network advantage for our customers. And this is a competitive advantage that helps our customers leverage their network assets to fuel innovation. In the next couple of slides, I'd like to give you a snapshot of how Nokia Siemens is doing just that, how we're delivering some innovative technology solutions that our operator customers are needing to address the demand that's placed upon their mobile broadband networks. But let me take a couple of minutes just to provide you some context. I think we can all agree that smartphones, tablets, and other similar devices are definitely an integral part of our business and personal lives. For me, I have two cell phones, one for business and one for personal. And not only do we rely on these devices, but we expect a really high-performing, reliable customer experience. And we want that experience anytime, anywhere, wherever we may be. And the dependence on the networks has ushered in a brand new world, too, of data usage. And this is only going to accelerate. For instance, by 2015, the industry estimates that the global amount of mobile data that is being downloaded will reach 23 exabytes. Well, what does that mean? That's an equivalent of 6.3 billion people downloading a digital book every day. So added to this is, with the exploding networks, is video download, especially in HD and soon to be in 3D. In the US, for instance, a third of the internet capacity is consumed by Netflix as people download movies and TV shows. But what does this network impact mean for the operators? Well, they're already stretched to deliver a positive experience on their current networks while building the future networks with new next-generation LTE. So what we see is it's creating a CapEx, OpEx indigestion bubble, what we call this, because they want to move as quickly as they can to evolve their networks, but they also want to maintain their customers. So we believe that the key to success in this unpredictable and demanding future is agility and flexibility built into the network. Capacity demand on modern mobile networks, it's rarely constant, as you can see from the diagram. There's a natural ebb and flow of demand as smartphone, tablet, and other smart devices. Our users are switching between applications and they use their devices for different applications, different purposes, and different times. In other words, we believe a network built with a fluid or a liquid architecture will eliminate the need to control this explosion in connectivity and the rapidly changing needs of a consumer. Our solution is liquid radio. This is our newest architecture for mobile networks, and we were launching this in March at the CTI Wireless Show. Liquid radio allows network capacity and coverage to flow where it's needed the most. It's an innovative architecture addressing the real-life challenges associated with the ebb and flow of consumer connectivity demands and the traffic created by broadband users' movements across the network. As a result, telecom operators are able to meet this constantly changing demand on capacity and doing it in the most cost-effective way possible. We believe that liquid radio is an important and it's an innovative step that makes networks more adaptable to meet the exploding capacity demand while also lowering costs for telecom operators. At the end of the day, as I mentioned, our mission is to create for our operator customers, an individual, good consumer experience. And this is what we feel that liquid radio accomplishes, creating a better and more reliable mobile broadband experience for consumers, and one that they can enjoy anywhere at any time. Thanks again for your time this afternoon and the opportunity to provide you with a little overview on liquid radio and Nokia Siemens networks.